How to fix Monopoly Go can't add contacts to find friends. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Monopoly Go can't add contacts to find friends. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the software update option. Now make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version. If not, then go ahead and update your device further. Once updated, see if your issue is fixed or not. If not, open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Monopoly Go. And tap on that. Now make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. Next fix for this issue is launch the settings application again and scroll down and tap on the Monopoly Go option. In here, make sure all the in-app permissions are enabled. If not, then go ahead and enable all the in-app permissions and your Monopoly Go can't add contact to find friends issue should be fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.